Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to recover our Discord account if we forgot the password. So let's get started. At first let's click on Discord app. So here it is. Now we need to click on login since we are logging in here. Write your email address or phone number. Now since we don't know the password, click on forget your password. And you'll get the mail in the mail you have added. So let's click on OK and go to the mail. And so here's the mail we have got to reset it. So let's tap on reset password. Now you can write your new password and click on change password. So this is it. Now you can simply continue to Discord. Now write your new password here. Now click on login. So you are back to your Discord interface. So this is how we can recover our Discord account. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.